So ngayon po, ang tuturo ko po sa inyo video tutorial ay tungkol po sa pag-install ng GCash. Okay? Kasi po kailangan po na natin ng tinatawag na payment system, okay? Para po sa ating mga transaction dito sa ating business sa online. So kailangan po natin ng GCash. Okay? So ang gawin po natin is punta po tayo sa Google Play Store. So dito po sa Google Play Store, i-type lang po natin dito sa ating searching app is ayun, GCash mobile app. Yan po. So ito po siya. So ang gawin po natin is install lang po natin. Okay? So ito na 100% na po. So open lang po natin. Request permission. To enjoy the full pictures of the app, GCash needs access to contacts, storage, devices location, camera. So okay po natin yan. Allow GCash to use the location information of this device. So allow din po natin. Allow GCash to make and manage calls. So allow po natin yan. Allow GCash to access photos, media, and files on your device. So allow din po natin yan. So allow GCash to use your contacts. So allow din po natin yan. Allow GCash to take photos and record videos. So allow po natin yan. Welcome to GCash. Turn your phone into a secure e-wallet. Use it across all networks with no data charges for Globe and TNT. So ang gagawin po natin dahil bago lang po tayo is magre-register po tayo. So enter your mobile number. So enter po natin. So nakalagay po dyan is available for all networks. So available po ang GCash kahit po hindi ka po Globe. Okay? Wait, we sent a 6-digit authentication code to your number. So meron na po tayong authentication number. So gawin po natin is submit po natin. So tell us something about yourself. So lagay po natin pangalan natin. So nakalagay din po dito, only provide information that is true and correct. Okay? Set natin ang date ng birthday ko. Okay? And then address. And then email address. So pagka naka-register ka na po, next lang po natin. Full name. Check your spelling and important dates. Okay? Do you have a referral code? Don't worry, this is optional. So, ibig sabihin po ng referral code, ito po yung may Gcash na po yung ibang tao. To naman, okay lang po yan. Optional lang po yan. So, submit na po natin. Okay? Avoid using weak, easy to guess MPIN such as 123, 111 or your birth date. So, lagay po natin dyan. So, 4 na digit po to, lalagay po natin. Okay? So, ayan po, nalagay ko na po ang aking MPIN. Okay? So, submit lang po natin. Gcash account. Proceed to login. So, proceed po tayo. Okay, makikita po natin dito is cash in, send money, save money, buy load, GCash Forest, manage credit, pay bills, pay QR, Lazada. Welcome, here are the key pictures of GCash. Explore GCash. Full range of service here. Tap to continue. Okay, tap na lang po natin. Start by sending in here. Okay, so cash in. Tap up your wallet so you can start transacting with GCash. Try out buy load here. So buy load, ibig sabihin you can buy and load and gain credits here no matter what network you're on. Okay? So warning po, never share your MPIN or OTP with anyone. Okay? GCash or its representative will never ask for your MPIN or OTP. Okay? So, ito na po ang ating GCash. Nakapag na po tayo. Download na po tayo. So, check lang po natin dito sa menu sa kanan, sa kaliwang sa taas. So makikita po natin dito is may basic level, semi-verified, then fully verified. So i-discuss ko po ito pagka po gagawa po ako ng next video about this.